Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 18 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create an endless auto-scroll animation. I am designing a hero section for a comic library. I have collected images for comic books that I will show on the hero section. Add auto layout. Adjust the frame width according to the screen width, leaving space for padding. Duplicate the frame. Change the alignment of the auto layout from left to right. If you have not applied auto layout, move the elements towards left. Now select both frames and make them a component set. Now let's add animation. I will add an after delay trigger because I want it to behave like an auto-scroll animation. It should trigger continuously without the user's direct interaction. You can increase animation time so that the content scrolling speed should not be too fast that the user cannot read it. Now, add the after delay trigger on the second variant to go back to the first one instantly after the animation. For now, I have used the same smart animation style for the second one also. Let's see how will it behave. So, I have added smart animation for both so it's animating from both sides, scroll and reverse scroll. You can change the animation style and test how will it behave in different styles. Let's check for an instant animation style. It is behaving fine now like an auto-scroll in one direction only. You can check other styles as well and see the behavior. We will use an instant animation style to achieve the required one here. Here you go. Catch up for the next day. Thanks for watching.